What makes humans a special species in the world is the development of language. Over the centuries, its tendency to communicate with certain signs, words, and symbols in the form of a structure which we call stories have made humans unique. Stories play a major role in the development of belief, culture, motivation, and overall psychological and emotional human identity. Given the significance of stories in general life, would it be appropriate to assume that everyone is a good storyteller, or storytelling is a skill that needs special training and techniques to master? In this project, we tried to find out the answers to these questions. The purpose of this project is to help individuals to discover their unique style of storytelling, improve upon their abilities, and build confidence in front of the camera. The solution helps individuals to learn how to develop communication skills in order to tell a convincing story. We broke down the whole process in 3 steps: conceptualizing, scripting, and medium of expression. We started with the already existing literature on the art of storytelling, communication skills, variables, and influences. We understood that an effective story can be facts, incidents, emotions, or just instructions which are relatable to the speaker as well as the listener. Language, confidence, structure, flow, and experiential learning are additional factors in building a convincing environment during the narration process. We tested this information with various participants in the form of systematic prototypes. With every prototype, we managed to capture different levels of influences and variables affecting the storytelling process. Every prototype provided data which helped our team to understand the difficulties and hidden aspects regarding the process. By the time we reached the last prototype, our team started to formulate the document which would help any individual, irrespective of any formal training, to improve their storytelling process in front of the camera. The document is divided in 3 categories which provides exercises, guidelines, and tools for the individuals to write and speak like a professional. We believe any individual can improve their confidence and communication skills for an overall convincing narrative. We used a 5-point system which included structure and flow, hand gestures, speech clarity, facial gestures, and elements in the story. With our results, we can conclude that storytelling is a skill which can be improved with time and practice. However, it is important to first identify your personal style, strengths, and shortcomings. Confidence of speaking in public and some basic knowledge of script writing would be enough to create a convincing environment for the listeners to be engaged with the speaker for healthy, entertaining, and a memorable story time.